हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपका सबका स्वागत है अर्बन लिविंग होम एंड गार्डन डेकोर चैनल में। दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी माय फर्स्ट वीडियो, सो प्लीज़ show your support, subscribe to my channel as I'm going to put a lot of videos on how you can decorate your garden as well as home with simple ideas. Now this entire garden that you see, I have decorated myself. I am going to show it very closely how I have designed this entire garden, and I'm going to put up lot of videos on the home decor also. I am not an interior decorator, but I am a very I love decorating my home as well as garden. So the ideas that I am going to show you are simple ideas which you can do yourself at home. Now here you can see that this is the entrance of my garden from my home, and this is the beautiful wall that I have got, on the left hand side. Now you can see that how I have designed this entire wall. I have got a beautiful bird nest at the top. Beside that I have got this beautiful lamp which looks very nice when it glows in the night. Now there are these three wooden shelves that I have got from, I think, Amazon. You get it for 750 bucks, but then they are very sturdy and they can carry lot of weight. And the wood that you see here is it can take even if water falls on it, it doesn't get spoiled. It remains for long time because the wood quality is really good. So here you can see that there are these two beautiful ceramic pots that I have got, and at the center I have got this beautiful pot which is in man shape. It's a cup, and I have got two beautiful money plants in that. Now in the central shelf I have got this beautiful um, uh, uh, you know uh, ceramic pots again, and the snake plants that you see here are the one which I have propagated myself. So in my channel you will see lot of videos on how to propagate these plants yourself at home. Now on this top shelf you can see that there is a bird nest plant, and a lipstick aglaonema plant at the top. Now again these three beautiful shelves that I have got, and I have got a identical beautiful ceramic pots here. Here you can see that I have got this beautiful indoor plant here. It's called as a zizi plant. And then again here you can see that there is a nice beautiful snake plant which I have propagated myself. And here you can see a beautiful king marble money plant. It is called as a king marble money plant. Now let us see how I have decorated the portion downstairs. Now this is a staircase which I have decorated with beautiful artificial lawn that I have ordered online, again from Amazon. And here you can see that बहुत ही सुंदर सा एक स्टैचू है, that I have again ordered online. And this portion I have designed with beautiful stones which are colorful. And when I went to Goa, I got this beautiful things which I have decorated here. Now here you can see that there is this beautiful um, golden money plant, and a nice blue color planter there. And here also you can see that these are the small pots that I have got from a nearby nursery. Now here you can see that there are two beautiful aglonema, lipstick aglonema plants that I have got. And this whole portion looks so colorful and beautiful. It really enhances the beauty of your garden. Now here also you can see that I have got a nice ceramic pot which is in duck shape, and I have got a nice spider plant in that. And these are two pots which are basically of terracotta, which I have colored with a nice color, and I have kept them here for the decoration purpose. Now let's see on the right hand side. Again here you can see that I have got beautiful colorful plants here. Here I have got um, a nice coleus plant. Okay. And again here I have got a nice zizi plant. I have decorated this entire portion with the ceramic statues of various animals like elephant, then you can see ox, then there is a nice cow there with a small baby. Here also you can see a beautiful plant. Now I have got various varieties of syngonium plant. Now I am a very die-hard fan of Syngonium because they really look nice. You can see a variety of a Syngonium here which is so beautiful in color. Now there is another variety of Syngonium here which is dark red in color. Now here you see another variety of Syngonium, and this is fourth variety of a Syngonium. नाउ दिस इज़ हाउ दिस पोर्शन लुक्स लाइक. सो आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत पसंद आया होगा ये. यहाँ पे आपको मैं दिखाऊंगा कि यहाँ पे मेरा एक बहुत ही सुंदर सा प्लांटर है जो 6 प्लांट्स कैरी कर सकता है. यहाँ पे मैंने आपको देख सकते हो कि बहुत ही सुंदर सा एक मनी प्लांट मैंने लगाया हुआ है. और दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल indoor plant that I have got here. This is another variety of a money plant. So I have total 9 varieties of the money plant. I will put another video on that. Now you can see a beautiful planter here which is a tortoise planter. I have got these beautiful snake plants here which I have propagated myself at home. Now when this will grow together, this entire portion will get filled and it will really look nice. Now I'll show you my hanging pots here. You can see that they are beautiful in color. There are total 5 hanging pots over here, and I have got different varieties of money plants in it. Now they really look nice because it has a dark, red color, yellow color, and again a light green color, white color. So all these colors really add lot of beauty to the whole garden. Now I'll show you the front portion. You can see how beautifully it looks from my living room. I have got this beautiful planters which are pink in color, and there are a lot of plants that I have planted here. As I told you that I have a huge variety of Syngonium plant. This is another variety which I have got here. This is a light red color variety that I have got. Now this is called Sadabahar, which has different colors in it. Now you can see how it looks beautiful here. Now here you can see that there is another variety of Syngonium which is very rare to find. Okay, here also you see a variety of a Syngonium. Now this is how this entire portion looks like. I am sure आपको पसंद आया होगा. Now here I will show you how this portion looks like from the distance. Now this is the right hand side of my garden as I enter inside the garden. Now here I will show you from one by one. Here I have got a nice snake plant. Then there is a beautiful rose plant here. Again there is a white color Sadabahar plant which I have got. Here I have got one variety of Coleus. Again in Coleus I have got around 5 to 6 varieties. Now here you can see a beautiful plant. This is called Madhumalti. It has a beautiful white and pink color flowers, and ये पूरा का पूरा भर जाता है. आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे birds आए हुए हैं, and they will get converted into flowers and it will look really beautiful. Now these are all palm trees that you see at the end of my garden, which has grown very well in very big size. Now I'm going to show you this side or this portion of my garden which is really beautiful, which I showed at the start of my video. Now let us start from here. Now here you can see again I have got a beautiful variety of a Syngonium plant here, and lipstick aglonema. Again here a variety of a Syngonium which is light green in color, a beautiful snake plant. Now this is another variety of a snake plant I have got. So in snake plant also there are 4 to 5 varieties, and I have all those varieties available with me. Now you can see these hanging pots, how beautiful they look like. Now this is beautiful orange color hanging pot, and again here I have got all Syngonium plants in these hanging pots. Now you can see the wall decor. Again the whole wall I have decorated with beautiful bird nest, and these are terracotta statues of deer faces, and these are the artificial bird nests which I have got again online. Now you can see this corner portion how it is looking like. I will show you my fountain. Now this is the fountain that I have got, and again here you can see a nice planter which carries around 5 plants, and there are a lot of varieties of the plants that I have. I have around 400 plus varieties in my garden. Now you can see that at the corner I have got this beautiful creeper which has come all the way down. It has grown very well, and this entire corner portion I have designed myself. Now today itself I have designed this miniature garden. I saw a lot of stones which were lying outside my garden space, so I just got those stones inside with the help of my son. And you can see that this entire portion is looking so beautiful. What I have done, I have just arranged the stones together, and whatever plants that I had, मैंने उसको इसमें यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज कर दिया. और उसके बीच में आप देख सकते हो कि बहुत ही सुंदर सा मैंने स्नेक प्लांट डाल दिया है. स्नेक प्लांट जो होता है, हियर ऑल्सो यू कैन सी अ वैरायटी ऑफ अ सिंगोनियम प्लांट विच इज़ अ स्मॉल साइज. इट्स कॉल्ड एज अ मिनिएचर सिंगोनियम. नाउ यहाँ पे वाइट कलर का सदाबहार का प्लांट है. तो आप देख सकते हो कि ये पूरा का पूरा जो कॉर्नर पोर्शन है वो दिखने में कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. Now I want to show you this particular planter also. ये थोड़ा सा अलग टाइप का प्लांटर है जो बहुत ही स्टर्डी है और 3 प्लांट्स कैरी कर सकता है. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो एक ब्यूटीफुल सा सुंदर फ्लावर प्लांट आई हैव प्लांटेड इन दिस. इसको इक्सोरा बोलते हैं. या आई वॉज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ द फ्लावर. नाउ अगेन यू कैन सी दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लांट दैट आई हैव गॉट, एंड इट हैज़ गॉट ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स. मेरे गार्डन में ऑलमोस्ट 50+ वैरायटी के फ्लावर प्लांट्स है, और ऑलमोस्ट 12 से 15 वैरायटी के मेरे पास जासवंदी के प्लांट हैं. अभी मैं आपको वो साइड पे लेके चलता हूँ. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि एक बहुत ही सुंदर सा पैरॉट का स्टैचू मैं लेके आया हूँ, विच इज़ रियली कॉस्टली, but then when you look at it, it really looks original. Now here you can see that I have got a nice beautiful fountain. तो यहाँ पे एक जो छोटा सा पोर्शन है, एक्चुअली ये पूरा का पूरा लॉन था, बट रेनी सीज़न में बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्टी होता था, इसलिए मैंने वो लॉन को निकाल के वहाँ पे मैंने फ्लोरिंग डाल दिया है. बट बहुत सारा पोर्शन मैंने बचा के रखा. इफ़ यू सी ऑन द राइट एंड लेफ्ट साइड, आई केप्ट अ पीस ऑफ कॉर्नर where I have planted beautiful plants. Now you can see that there is a beautiful hibiscus flower that I have got. As I told you that I have around 12 varieties of the hibiscus, and I have got you will be surprised to know that this garden is on the second floor, but I have got a nice custard apple plant. You can see, I will show you from closely. It has already got the flowers. Now it will give the fruit after some time. I have got a nice chiku plant, and I will show you that it has already got small chikus in it. Can you see that? I'm not sure whether you are able to see it or not. And I have got a beautiful mango plant also. I will show you something beautiful. Can you see the mango? There is a mango here, a small mango. Yeah. Now friends, this is how my garden looks like when I come from this side to that side of my garden. Now here also आप देख सकते हो कि बहुत ही सुंदर सा ये पोर्शन दिखता है. यहाँ पे बहुत ही सुंदर सा मैंने ये जो वॉल पे ग्रो होता है वो आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे कितना सारा हवा है. आई एम श्योर मेरा आवाज़ ब्लॉक होता रहेगा बिकॉज ऑफ द एयर. बहुत ज़्यादा एयर आता है यहाँ पे और बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है. You can see again a different variety of Madhumalti that I have got. This I have got very recently. Now here you can see that there are double flowers in it. ये फूल अभी मुरझा गया है लेकिन इसका बहुत ही डार्क सुंदर रेड कलर है हिबिस्कस का. Now यहाँ पे you will see there is this beautiful corner that I have got. This is the entrance to my bedroom, and here I have got this beautiful colorful planters which has got plants. Again a nice variety of a marble money plant, a beautiful show plant here, again a variety of a money plant, and then I have got this beautiful cactus plants. I have got around 4 varieties of that, and I have planted all of them together. Now You can see here also there is a nice Sadafulika plant. So this is how this portion looks like. This is the view from my bedroom that I have, and I have got a beautiful sitting place here. And you can see from here, you can see a nice hill. It is basically the Ghodbandar road in Thane. Okay, and again you can see a beautiful variety of Ixora here. सो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम श्योर ये बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट हो गया रहेगा, क्योंकि मेरा गार्डन इतना बड़ा है और इतने सारे प्लांट्स है उसमें कि बहुत मुश्किल है इतने कम टाइम में आपको दिखाना. तो आई एम गोइंग टू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज़ कवरिंग every specific portion in detail, so that you will know how I have decorated every portion, and you will get some idea to decorate something at your home. Now ये करदली का प्लांट बोलते हैं. इसमें मेरे पास 3 या 4 वैरायटी है टोटल. Now you can see a beautiful hibiscus plant here. Now it remains as a bud, it doesn't get converted into flower, and it has flowers all around the year. नाउ इसे ब्रह्म कमल बोलते हैं. मुझे पता नहीं इंग्लिश में इसको क्या बोलते हैं. इट इज़ रेड इन कलर. इट स्टिल हैज़ टू गेट द फ्लावर्स. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी दैट आई हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल वाइट एंड लाइट पिंक कलर का hibiscus, which is very big, and it has more than 50 flowers every day. I mean, I have literally counted them, and every day it is more than 50 flowers that you will see here. Now here also you can see the color of the plant is so beautiful. So guys, this is how my garden looks like. I am sure आपको बहुत पसंद आया होगा. And today I am also going to put a video of my kitchen gardening. You know how we have decorated our kitchen with the beautiful plants, and I'm sure you will love that. So do subscribe to my channel to get the updates on different videos of the gardening. And see you in my next video, friends. Bye bye, take care, have a fantastic day ahead.